How to solve restrictions enabled issues on iPhone. The restriction enabled messages on iPhone usually appears when screen time restrictions are turned on. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is open the settings app on your mobile device. Now scroll down and look for the screen time option available there and simply tap on it. Once inside the screen time, scroll down and tap on the content and privacy restrictions. After that, make sure that it is toggled off. If it is toggled on, just make sure to toggle off that switch available right next to it. Once you do so, go back, and if you have the screen time passcode enabled, then all you have to do is simply off that as well. I do not have my screen time passcode enabled currently. Then go back to the settings and tap on the general. Scroll down till the bottom and transfer or reset iPhone. Then tap on the erase content and simply erase all the contents available there. This removes the screen time passcode but will wipe the device. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.